What do you think? Study English for free or pay? Okay. Because the topic is study English. I choose pay. Why? I have two reasons to explain why study must pay. First, the pay is for consistent because it is need.
Saluto a miei cari amico che al farta che Safi Ramadani non ni atas GTA learning la muda linfo ne sulla angla linfo se anco la araban che la hispana miei cari amico nun GTA learning la muda linfo nun mi estas la gruppo la angla linfo miei cari amico se estas tre importante por ni miei cari amico learning la angla linfo GTA multa da firo te firino GTA kai trinkas la kafon kai la te miei cari amico nur bon follow vidi la mia film mia cari amico ne forgosi subscribos mia video kai canal mia cari amico e la GTA mia cari amico kai la YouTube mia cari amico bon follow this kai bon follow vidi mia cari amico povas poran la ang info mia cari amico
Minimal things is attention. Yes, attention and
appreciation egal
appreciation is about the payment. And the special payment is money. Special payment. If you give high appreciation for him, give money because he wasted time. Yes, spend his time. The first reason. The second reason is the first time is about consistent and what needed. And the second is willing to pay. If you think that's good quality, you must give good payment like that. If like you know, if your teacher is bad quality, what do you pay attention? You don't pay anything, right? Okay, I not give attention for him, and you not give your time more, and for the next time, and then if we have good teacher, what you willing to pay something for him? Like the minimal willingness to pay is something stuff to learning like whiteboards, okay. We participate to the forum to study. Okay. For what? The goal is consistent to get target from study. So now, why so many people study English pay than study English for free? Yes, I asked for them. Okay. I think
dan con por vidi mia canalo mia cari amico mi tre bon gusta mi kai tre interesa por popolo y la mundo y popas vidi la mia canalo mia cari amico popas vidi kai en la YouTube mia cari amico mi tre bon gusta kai popolo y la mundo mia cari amico GTA mi popas porali la muta dall'info nesu la ang info se anco la araba l'info mia cari amico dan con por vidi mia film mia cari amico gis mia cari amico gis.
It's my opinion. Thank you very much.